Hi, and welcome to Yolo Queen Bee Tarot. I'm Yolo Queen Bee. So welcome. If you have been led to my channel, that means that maybe you're starting your awakening spiritually. So I'm here to help you. I've been in my spiritual awakening about 5 years. And I could tell you that I met a past life soulmate that triggered me into healing. It was time to heal them childhood traumas. So here today, welcome. I'm doing a reading for, who am I doing a reading now? Oh, I'm doing a Taurus. Taurus. Mess with the bull and you get the horns, huh? I have cleansed the cards. I have incense and sage and lighted a candle for the angels that are drawn to the light and the warmth of the fire. All right. Spirit, what's going on for Taurus? Taurus. I'm hearing Taurus likes pentacles. So Taurus is good at making money. Did you guys have a good Thanksgiving yesterday? I hope you did. I had a great Thanksgiving. I spent it with people that, that are pro me and I'm pro them. Makes all the difference in the world in your vibe, let me tell you. All right, Taurus. What's going on? What's going on? Let's see, you want to flip? Okay, Taurus. Excuse me. Okay, Taurus. What's happening? Oh. Okay. We got the High Priestess. 3 Cups, Temperance, Knight of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. So the High Priestess, she is someone who is very intuitive and she understands the mysteries, but it also means there's a secret of some kind. She keeps secrets. The 3 Cups is celebration, happiness, good times. It also means third-party situation. So maybe the High Priestess knows maybe there's a secret. Maybe there's someone's having a surprise party for somebody. Or Temperance. Temperance is balance, patience, and also Sagittarius. So maybe there's some kind of surprise party for a Sagittarius or something. Or someone needs to have patience because someone's working on something secretly that's going to be a surprise, Taurus. Knight of Swords, this is about action. This is fast-moving action. And you see him, the horse is looking at him like in concern. So this Knight of Swords is rushing somewhere to bring a message. Usually it's kind of an aggressive kind of a message. Definitely Swords talks about message of truth. So maybe someone's coming to tell the Sagittarius or someone who's trying to stay in balance, bring them some info. Could be about a Queen of Pentacles. Now the Queen of Pentacles, she is someone who understands hard work. She doesn't mind. She understands the business from the ground up, meaning she's been there, she's gotten her hands dirty, and she don't mind getting off her throne to go help somebody sow row of seeds in a field somewhere to, getting her hands dirty. Like she understands hard work because she loves her pentacles and she's pretty stable, right? She's most happiest if you look at her on her throne in her garden. She loves nature, she understands. She's about always taking care of her money. Her eyes, you see, her focus is the money, right? And it could also be a man in a Queen of Pentacles energy. Energy is fluid. It could be masculine or feminine. And it could be a man who's all about his pentacles. So what's going on, Taurus? Someone planning a party for something? Some kind of surprise celebration? Tell us, High Priestess. Give us clarity. What's going on, High Priestess? What's It's a secret. She said judgment. Let's clarify the judgment. The Queen of Swords. So the Queen of Swords is, you know, she wants to know the who, what, when, and where now. She don't want to beat around the bush. Bring her facts so she can take care of business. So what's the Queen of Swords? Judgment and the Queen of Swords. Oh. About Five of Cups. That meaning that's like feeling emotionally, her emotions are spilt. Not content. And also came out the the Six of Pentacles. That means that there's probably wasn't no equal give and take, because 6 is balance, and if you're feeling kind of disheartened, that means somebody wasn't giving equal give and take with their money. So maybe this Queen of Swords, that's why she's feeling some type of way. And the Queen of Swords, that's, as far as that concerns, swords is air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aries. So maybe you're dealing with an air sign, Taurus. And Queen of Pentacles, again, these are earth signs. So this could be Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus. Yourself, Taurus. This could be you, Taurus, right? You're content with your monies and you're planning some kind of party for somebody. Or you're having patience in planning. But maybe also someone's watching you plan and they're going to come and spill the beans. I don't know. What's this 3 of Cups? Clarify this 3 of Cups. Thank you. Yep. That's the truth. The Ace of Swords, that's a new beginning. But also, they're saying, yeah, that's the truth. You're planning, something's being planned for someone. And this Knight of Swords is coming in to say something. What's this Knight of Swords? What are they trying to do, this Knight of Swords? Whatever it is calling the Knight of Swords sleepless nights, anxiety. Maybe they're calling anxiety to take action. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands and the Hierophant. So the Queen of Wands, you know, she's a very cool person. Like, she's understanding. She has so much knowledge of every aspect. Like, she understands. She's understanding. She'll listen to you. But she's a fire sign. That she's all about the action when it comes to problem solving. And the Hierophant, that means that she's probably someone who is wise. She's someone who has a lot of knowledge or does some kind of counseling. This also could be something with a higher authority, as far as like a court or a teacher of some kind. But it also could be a marriage. So maybe someone's having anxiety because they're coming with the offer of marriage to this Queen of Swords before this party or something ever gets off the ground. Interesting, interesting. Maybe someone's trying to beat a secret or a surprise party that's coming in. What about this Queen of Pentacles? Oh, Queen of Pentacles, 3 of Swords. That means there's sadness or even a third party situation. So maybe even the Knight of Swords, you know, he's traveling away from this Queen of Pentacles, headed towards this Queen of Wands. That's causing a lot of anxiety. Because this Queen of Swords, this Queen of Swords is like, she's cut through. She'll cut you with her swords of truth, with her words, before she ever stabs you. And the truth in her words is going to cut you down. Like, you're going to feel it. So somehow this Queen of Swords feeling left out in the cold. But yet there's some kind of surprise that's going to happen. Interesting. What's going on, Taurus? Who's trying to surprise who? All right. So I would say there's someone's trying to plan some kind of surprise celebration for maybe like I said, temperance, someone who's Sagittarius, or it's taking patience to plan a party for some kind of Queen of Swords who's feeling left out in the cold because there wasn't even give and take. But little does she know that there's a Knight of Swords, you know, who's coming towards her way, moving from this Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, this Queen of Wands in the Hierophant. That's someone who's also very intuitive and spiritual. Interesting. All right, let's get you a Gaia card. What's going on? Let's give us some happiness for this message, Taurus. And I'm using Gaia Oracle cards by Toni, Carmine, Salerno, if you're interested. Beautiful cards, beautiful messages. Gaia, you know, God created Gaia, so we always give thanks to Gaia. Gaia's Mother Earth. That's another name for Mother Earth. She's also called Agartha, if you didn't know. Agartha is a term that the Anunnaki brought with them. And if you're not sure what Anunnaki is, that's their ancestors. Something you might want to look up. Liberation, breaking free from a negative attachment. So that sounds what it is. Maybe that's what's happening here for you, Taurus. You're moving away from the Queen of Pentacles, and maybe it has been burdensome dealing with them, and that's why you're headed towards someone who's less burdensome. Liberation, card 25, which breaks down to a 7. 7 is a spiritual number. So let's see, 25. I got Princess, I want to be your lover on. So maybe, Taurus, you want to be someone's lover, or someone's coming to state they want to be your lover. All right. 25. Whether you realize it or not, you have become too emotionally attached or dependent on someone or something, or you have allowed or inadvertently caused someone to get too emotionally attached to you. What at first seemed like a healthy friendship or interest now seems to be taking over your life or is creating too much codependence. A situation that initially seemed like a positive has now revealed its negative side. This is, in effect, like a form of addiction. You are advised to examine this issue, then create some space between you. For your sake and the sake of others, you must do whatever it takes to break free from this negative emotional attachment. Initially, this may cause some resentment and even a sense of panic, but the end result will be worth it. When you manage to emotionally detach yourself from the issue, you will have learned a valuable lesson, and this will serve you well in the future. So talk about, maybe that's this Knight of Swords is moving himself with the Queen of Pentacles is going to cause some sadness, you know. Wow, come through, Spirit. I heard that. Okay, and the affirmation. I release myself from all negative attachments. I trust that this is for my highest good. I trust that this is for the highest good of all. I help others most by not allowing myself or them to be codependent. I look at every situation in a balanced way. Exactly. And maybe that's what it is. You're removing yourself from some codependency. Talk about balance. We had temperance here. So there you go, Taurus. That's your reading. I'm Yolo Queen B. And remember, you only live once. Thank you for coming to my channel. And I love you. Namaste.